Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce of the new products on my right hand. This is a 5-wheel warmers and using the liquid propane or natural gas. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire length is about like a 72 and 1/4 inches long. And the depth of the unit is about like a 29 and 1/4 inches deep. Also, the height is about like a 32 and 3/4 inches tall. The bottom layer is about like a 10 inches tall. As we can see, the unit's front is coming with the 5 individual controllers. On top of it, they have a small window so you can measure the fires on it. And looking the side of the units, we can see the ETL sanitation stickers and all the cartridge information from the manufacturers. And they have a connection pipes. It's mounted at below. So the manufacturer give you a regulator connections and also have a switching the kits for you to using the liquid propanes. We can take a look closer to see the inner side dimensions. As we can see, they do have a cutting board at the front and this is a pantry space. So for this cutting boards is about like a 7 inches deep. And the pantry space, it is about like a 20 inches long. And the 12 and 1/4 inches wide. And depth of it about like a 7.5 inches deep. That will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.